Jafwambo Rita Tinina oyangni ne owito ngimane kaluwore kod tuo mar nimonia. Maendi en kaluwore kod Jabero mar sirkal Peter Ndegwa kod Jabero mar anyuola mare Dr. Michaka. Kaluwore kod jawach e lo anyuola mar Rita Timothy Njaga, giwacho ni giyie kod duoko makamano kapod gimedo mana kwayo thuolo mar ywago nyargi mosenindo. Ringre Rita ne oyude ode man Kilelesho okinyi ma Jumapil, kawachore ni chieng' ngeso to Rita ne ngima, to buok nobedo okinyi mar Jumapil bang' ka norem chopo e tich.
We had come here to witness the post-mortem done. We have had it completed, performed by a government pathologist, Dr. Ndegwa, and the family pathologist, Dr. Michaka. The process is now complete, and we have been given the results. We have been told that the late Rita died of severe pneumonia. She died of severe pneumonia, and we are satisfied with the results. We are closed that question. Of course, the members of the family right now are distraught, and they are still asking for space. They're still asking for a little bit of privacy, even as we go into the news. We go to it with decorum, with respect, and remembering that there is a family that is there, that has emotions and can get affected by some of the things.